Meet the US Saws MC45, a concrete beast designed to tear through tough surfaces with precision. This compact milling machine chews up thick coatings, high spots, and surface imperfections like a champ. With its lightweight frame and powerful performance, it's perfect for tight spaces and vertical walls. The adjustable depth and vacuum port keep things clean and controlled. Built for pros who don't compromise, it's a job site game changer. Whether you're prepping for overlays or removing traffic lines, this tool eats it up. The handle folds easily for transport, yet its industrial-grade motor roars like a full-sized machine. It's not just small, it's mighty. The MC45 is proof that big performance comes in mini packages. Say goodbye to switching trowels mid-task with the Multi-Trowel Radius Trowel in hand. This clever tool combines flexibility and finesse for smooth curves and perfect edges. It's your all-in-one solution for shaping rounded surfaces on concrete and stucco. The curved design hugs every bend with precision, reducing wrist strain and boosting productivity. Its lightweight yet durable construction means it won't wear you down. Whether you're doing decorative work or large surfaces, it's built to perform. The comfortable grip gives you total control for long hours. Bring clean finishes and curves together in one swipe. It's not just a trowel, it's a finisher's dream. Build stronger, faster, and smarter with the Bolt Star Square Foundation Edition. This form-set tool makes placing anchor bolts in concrete footings fast, accurate, and frustration-free. Say goodbye to templates and tangled wires. Just drop it in, lock it down, and pour. It aligns bolts perfectly every time, ensuring code-compliant foundations. The reusable frame is rugged, yet lightweight enough for any crew to handle. You'll speed up set time and slash rework with surgical precision. Ideal for light pole bases, columns, and sign footings. Its square frame fits seamlessly over most forms. No wobbles, no guesswork, just bolt it and go. Take your drywall sanding sky high with the Flex Giraffe stand. This height-adjustable support rig cradles your ceiling sander and eliminates fatigue during overhead work. It's stable, foldable, and built like a tripod on steroids. Whether you're working on ceilings or high walls, the Giraffe stand keeps your tool rock steady. No more aching arms or off-balance climbs on ladders. Just clamp, adjust, and start smoothing like a pro. Its smooth gliding swivel head and rugged frame make movement effortless. Pair it with the Flex Giraffe sander for next-level finishing. Your back will thank you, and your results will show it. Introducing a nailer that's built for battle, the Total TAT 8641 Air Concrete Nailer. This compact monster drives hardened nails into concrete, brick, and dense substrates like butter. Lightweight and balanced, it lets you work fast without feeling the strain. The aluminum body ensures it's tough yet maneuverable. Its powerful pneumatic punch gets the job done where others bounce off. Ideal for fixing wood frames, electrical boxes, or metal brackets to masonry. A quick-release nose clears jams in seconds. Built-in safety mechanisms keep your hands safe and the job moving. This is the air tool that concrete fears. Spot heat issues before they become disasters with the FLUKE TiS75 Plus thermal imaging camera. This powerful device delivers sharp thermal images, revealing hidden electrical, HVAC, and mechanical problems. With a 384 by 288 resolution and wide temperature range, it sees what the naked eye can't. You can store, share, and analyze scans instantly with FLUKE Connect. It's rugged enough for job site abuse and intuitive enough for quick use. Whether you're troubleshooting circuits or checking insulation, it's the thermal tool pros trust. Navigate complex systems with pinpoint accuracy. A built-in laser pointer ensures you never miss the target. Stop guessing. Start seeing heat in action. When it's time to break through concrete, call in the Pinsa Demolitrice 52 kg. This demolition claw is a hydraulic powerhouse designed to crush reinforced concrete with relentless force. It's built to bite, grip, and destroy with precision. Ideal for controlled demolitions and tough job sites, it reduces noise and vibration compared to jackhammers. The strong jaws clamp onto walls, slabs, and pillars, tearing them apart cleanly. Designed for excavator arms, it works like a robotic beast. Faster and safer than traditional methods, it's revolutionizing demolition work. Concrete doesn't stand a chance. Just grip, crush, and move on. Railway crews, meet your best friend, the FTP 950 Portable Sleepers Drilling Machine. This powerhouse handles tough sleeper drilling tasks with unstoppable torque and precision. Lightweight yet mighty, it's easy to carry across tracks and rough terrain. The built-in clutch and anti-vibration system protect the operator and extend tool life. It's designed for high-speed sleeper drilling in hardwood and composite. The powerful two-stroke engine drives straight, accurate holes in seconds. Quick change chucks reduce downtime and increase efficiency. Whether on open lines or night shifts, this tool keeps trains rolling. Track work just got turbocharged. The FARBEPLAST Plan turns wall painting into a controlled and flawless operation. This automated sprayer glides across surfaces, ensuring even coats every time. Ideal for large commercial walls, it boosts productivity while reducing manual labor. With programmable paths and consistent flow, it eliminates roller marks and streaks. It adapts to height and surface variations like a pro. Easy to operate and clean, it's a contractor's secret weapon. Use it for primers, paints, or coatings. It handles them all. You'll get faster finishes, smoother results, and fewer touch-ups. Paint smarter, not harder, with FARBEPLAST. Meet the HB1 by HausBots, a wall-climbing robot that redefines vertical access. Designed to scale buildings with magnetic precision, it tackles inspection, painting, and cleaning tasks at heights. No scaffolds, no lifts. Just stick it on and control it remotely. Built for concrete, brick, glass, or metal, it clings tight while avoiding obstacles. It's battery-powered, lightweight, and loaded with safety features. With cameras, sensors, and payload capacity, it does more than just climb. Perfect for building maintenance, surveys, or facade upgrades. It reduces risk, saves time, and gets where humans can't. Gravity? That's someone else's problem now. Seal like a pro with nozzle plus silicone caulking tools. This smart nozzle set gives you clean lines, perfect corners, and zero mess every time. Just pop it on your caulk tube and go. No more masking tape or fingers. Designed for precision and speed, it saves product and effort. Multiple shapes let you tackle joints, edges, and narrow spots with ease. Ideal for bathrooms, windows, kitchens, and more. The reusable silicone tips are flexible and easy to clean. Get that professional finish without the fuss. Turn sealing into an art, not a chore. Compact your concrete with confidence using the Beton Roller Tamp. This handheld tool smooths and consolidates freshly poured concrete for a solid, even finish. The rotating drum presses down aggregates while leveling the surface. It's perfect for driveways, patios, and sidewalks where vibratory tools are too much. Built tough for job site abuse, yet easy to maneuver by one person. Just roll, tamp, and watch the surface transform. It increases slab strength and reduces cracking by pushing down the big stuff. A must-have for flat work perfection. It's not just rolling, it's precision compacting. Say goodbye to backaches with the Festool Exoactive Exo18 exoskeleton. This wearable power suit reduces strain during overhead and repetitive tasks. Battery-powered and adjustable, it gives you superhuman endurance on the job site. Perfect for drywall, painting, or ceiling installs. It supports your arms and shoulders without restricting movement. The lightweight frame makes it feel like part of your body. Increase productivity and protect your joints at the same time. Long hours become less exhausting with this wearable tech. It's like a helper you wear. Safety meets freedom with the free Falcon Mobile Fall Protection Anchor. This rolling anchor system gives workers full mobility without compromising fall safety. Ideal for rooftops and steel structures, it follows you as you move. With 360-degree swivel action, it never tugs or trips. Just attach your harness and walk confidently along the edge. Built for rugged use in extreme conditions, it's your portable safety zone. No more fixed tie-offs or sketchy harness points. It's OSHA-compliant, compact, and a breeze to set up. Work safe, move smart, fly with free Falcon. Get floor-perfect results with the Varo leveling system from Baron. This innovative tool levels large surfaces fast with pinpoint accuracy. Designed for use with tiling or screeding, it eliminates lippage and unevenness. Just adjust the base, set the height, and let the system do the work. Its modular design adapts to rooms of any size. Whether working on slabs, screeds, or tiles, it's your precision partner. Save time on rework and nail that laser-level finish. Contractors love its efficiency. Clients love the result, because when the base is perfect, everything else falls into place. Seal cracks, leaks, and joints instantly with Wyken Universal Dict Spray. This spray-on sealant is a lifesaver for roofing, gutters, ducts, and masonry. It creates a flexible, waterproof coating that sticks like glue to almost any surface. Great for quick fixes and long-term protection against moisture and corrosion. Just shake, spray, and let it cure. It's that simple. It's weatherproof, UV-resistant, and can be painted over too. Ideal for emergency sealing on the go. From pros to DIYers, it's the ultimate can of confidence. Spray it, seal it, forget about it. Make lifting tiles a one-man job with the Edetoma Portell 26955. This tile carrier lets you transport large ceramic or concrete slabs safely and comfortably. Its adjustable arms and rubber grips hold tiles tight without scratching. Perfect for floor installers and masons working solo. It reduces back strain while boosting speed and control. Compact yet strong enough for heavy-duty loads. Just set it, clamp it, and lift like a pro. Whether indoors or out, it handles tough tiles with ease. A small tool that makes a massive difference. The Lyster Comet 700 is where precision meets power in automatic hot wedge welding. Designed for geomembranes, it delivers clean welds at blazing speeds. With adjustable parameters and digital controls, it's built for perfectionists. Ideal for landfills, ponds, and tunnels, it guarantees airtight seams. Compact in size but heavy-duty in action, it handles PVC, HDPE, and more. Welds straight or on curves. It doesn't miss a beat. Smart sensors ensure consistent pressure and temp throughout. Get the job done faster and better. It's a welding pro's best friend. Level up with laser precision using the Bosch Quiggo Green. This cross-line laser projects ultra-bright green lines for perfect alignment in seconds. Whether hanging shelves, tiling walls, or framing, it keeps everything square, self-leveling, and easy to set up. It's a tool you'll use on every project. The bright green lines are twice as visible as red, even in daylight. Compact and mounted in seconds with the clamp system. Great for pros and DIYers who demand accuracy. Make your mark with Bosch, because straight lines never go out of style. Conquer tough pipe jobs with the Auto Torque hydraulic chain. Pipe wrench. Built for high-torque tasks, it grips and turns massive pipes with controlled hydraulic force. No slipping, no busted knuckles, just clean, powerful rotation. Ideal for oil, gas, and industrial piping systems. Its adjustable chain fits various diameters while the hydraulic system does the heavy lifting. Portable and rugged, it replaces manual wrenches for good. Increase productivity while reducing strain and injuries. When the pipe fights back, Auto Torque fights harder. It's brute strength in your toolkit. Meet the Baron. EasyUp, your smart solution for raising mixing tubs and containers. This lifting aid elevates heavy batches to the perfect working height with zero effort. Say goodbye to bending and lifting strain on the job. With sturdy wheels and a crank system, it's mobility and control combined. Ideal for tiling, masonry, and mixing jobs. Boosts safety and productivity with a simple turn. Adjustable, foldable, and easy to transport. It fits into any workflow. Work comfortably at your height. The EasyUp makes tough jobs feel light. Secure foundations with surgical precision using the ProBrace system. This modular bracing setup supports formwork for slabs, walls, and beams, built to withstand serious load pressure without shifting. It adjusts easily for all shapes and sizes, saving setup time. The pre-engineered components make it faster and safer than traditional bracing. Ideal for high-volume residential or commercial pours. Fewer parts, more stability, and rock-solid alignment. When structural integrity matters most, ProBrace delivers peace of mind. Brace it right. Pour it perfect. Pump smarter, not harder with the Giraffes 800 from Immer Group. This compact concrete pump fits in tight spaces while pushing high volumes like a giant. Built for reliability, it handles abrasive mixes without clogging. Perfect for residential pours, shotcrete, or repair jobs. It's remote-controlled for precision and safety on chaotic sites. Easy to move, clean, and maintain. Contractors love its simplicity. Delivers performance where trucks can't reach. With the Giraffes 800, concrete flows smoothly, even in chaos. It's small, but it means serious business. Get perfect slab transitions with the Traker track joint short. This pre-engineered joint system eliminates the guesswork in concrete expansion joints. It keeps slabs aligned while allowing natural movement to prevent cracking. Easy to place and install during the pour. Built for industrial floors, warehouses, and high-traffic zones, the modular system adapts to your formwork effortlessly. Strong, sleek, and performance-ready. Don't just pour concrete, engineer it. Track joint takes flat work to the next level. Pull like a pro with the RunPotech CW800E cable winch. This electric cable puller makes wiring jobs effortless, even in tight conduits. With 800 kilo pulling force, it eats long cable runs for breakfast. Remote-controlled and portable, it's made for solo operators. The drum design allows controlled reeling with adjustable speed, great for industrial, commercial, or data cable installs. Say goodbye to tugging and struggling. This tool does the heavy pull, so you can focus on perfect placement. It's the winch your wiring deserves. Forget the mallet. Let the Lyster auto hammer do the pounding. This automatic hammer drills fence posts, rebar, and stakes into tough terrain without breaking a sweat. Lightweight, cordless, and vibration-controlled, it's a fencing pro's dream. The powerful motor drives nails and stakes at lightning speed. No bounce, no bruises, just solid results. With adjustable stroke settings and safety lock, it's as smart as it is strong. Saves time, saves your arms, and gets the job done right. Hammer smarter with Lyster. Cut tile curves like butter with the Sigma Combi Flex Tile Cutter. This machine bends to your will, literally, handling angled, straight, or intricate cuts with finesse. Built for porcelain, ceramic, and glass tiles. The spring-loaded base absorbs impact while the handle glides like silk. Lightweight yet solid, it's built for precision and speed. Great for mosaic layouts and corner cuts. Don't wrestle with your tiles. Slice through them with style. The Combi Flex brings finesse to every flooring job. Dust? No problem. The Lismac CC900T is a dry cutting floor saw that powers through concrete without water. Designed for maximum performance and minimal cleanup, it's the future of slab cutting. The blade slices with minimal vibration and incredible depth. Great for renovations, expansion joints, and trench work. Built tough with German engineering to last under pressure. Easy to steer and loaded with safety features. Fast, dry, and deadly precise. When you need a clean cut, go Lismac. Unleash torque like never before with the Hilti Neuron SIW4AT22. This compact beast delivers brutal fastening power in a lightweight frame. Powered by Neuron batteries, it runs longer and hits harder. The brushless motor guarantees durability and zero slowdown. Designed for steel bolts, anchors, and structural builds. Smart sensors track torque for consistency. With ergonomic grip and reduced recoil, it's built for long shifts. Cordless, fearless, and deadly accurate. Hilti means business. Make your mark loud and clear with RustOleum M1400. This high-visibility paint sprays fast, sticks to anything, and stays put. Designed for marking concrete, gravel, soil, and pavement. Dries in minutes, resists fading, and handles foot or vehicle traffic like a champ. Perfect for layout, safety zones, or utility lines. Comes in bold colors that pop even in low light. Spray upside down with the convenient nozzle. When you need your lines to last, RustOleum brings the punch. Turn your mini excavator into a precision grader with this sand screed attachment. It levels sand, soil, or fine gravel with perfect accuracy and minimal labor. Ideal for landscaping, paving, or slab prep. It attaches fast and adjusts to site conditions easily. Say goodbye to manual raking and uneven grades. Smooth finish every time, even on complex terrain. Compact, durable, and operator-friendly. From rough fill to final prep, it does it all. Level ground is just a scoop away. Power meets precision in the EMS 16 Tucker 2.5 handheld drill. This dual-speed workhorse tackles wood, metal, and concrete like a pro. With a 2-speed gearbox and reverse function, it's made for versatility. The ergonomic handle and soft start make drilling smooth and steady. Designed for pros who need torque and control. From furniture builds to steel frames, it adapts fast. German-made and built to last under pressure. Put holes exactly where they belong. The EMS gets it done. Thank you for watching this video on the top tech tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.